Today we're staying at the Motel 6 located in Williamsville, New York, just outside of Buffalo, New York. As you can see, it was a three-story building with the top floor inside and the bottom two outside entrances. So if you want to be in more of a traditional hotel style, ask for a third floor room. You do have an elevator that requires a key to get on, so it gives a little bit more security. And plus you have the inside corridors to get to your room. The corridor was very clean, very neat. We go into the room and very surprised. I haven't been to a Motel 6 in decades, so I was very surprised how nice the room was. The beds are a little messy, and I'll tell you why. I had a little camera trouble, so I opened up the beds to do the inspection and had to retape it. So I had to remake the beds the best I could. So as you see, it has the vinyl faux wood floors versus carpeting. Some of the economy chains are doing that nowadays. They last longer. They're easier to clean. If you have a spill or any type of mess, you can wipe it up versus having to have a big stain in the carpet or have to replace the carpet. And as the guest, you can actually see better that it was whether it was cleaned or not. Where kind of a carpet, you can kind of get away with maybe not vacuuming it, but the floor, you're going to definitely see if there's debris. So let's check out the beds here. We'll reopen the beds again. Check out the sheets here. The sheets were very clean. They felt very newer sheets. Pulled them up. I didn't see on either bed any evidence of any bed bugs. Both beds were very comfortable, and I very enjoyed sleeping on it. Again, I was very surprised how nice and clean and comfortable this room was for a Motel 6. You kind of hear some bad rumors about the economy chains, but this particular property is in very good shape. They take care of it. They keep it very clean. So no complaints. Chair's a little uncomfortable, but again, easy to clean. A wooden chair versus an old cloth chair that you don't know what kind of stains have been on it. So I'll take the wooden chair. I guess that you can tell if something's been spilled on it or not. Nice flat screen television. That was worked great. No amenities in this room, though. One thing with Motel 6 I noticed, no coffee maker, not even shampoo or conditioner, things that are usually standard in most hotels and even motels nowadays. So make sure you bring your own shampoo, and you're going to have to go out and get your own coffee. They do have coffee downstairs free in the morning. There's no free breakfast. So you do have to get your own breakfast, and they do have free coffee in the morning, and then there's also vending machines downstairs. But the bathroom, nice sized bathroom, spacious. Again, extremely clean. Shower was clean, toilet, floor, very clean. Sink area. Again, no shampoo, so make sure you bring your own. They do have the bar soap. You get that, and 10 towels. They got this kind of neat little as you can see, this little compartment system for the towels that I've never seen anything like that before. It's kind of different looking where they fold the towels and stick them in there. But nice bathroom, no complaints in that department. I stayed here because I came up for the Bills game, the Bills home opener. It was a Thursday night game. All the other hotels were just way overpriced or completely booked. I got this hotel for about $50 a night, $59 a night. So definitely a great price. Great location, very convenient, at the crossroads of Transit Road and the New York State Thruway, Interstate 90. So easy to get to, easy on, easy off the Thruway. Area has Transit Road, tons of restaurants, everything you want. That building right there, that's Russ's Steaks and Chops. Russ Salvatore, a restaurant there in the Buffalo area for many decades. Just opened that location recently. He owned Salvatore's Italian Gardens for years until he turned it over to his son. So definitely go over there, get a nice meal. There's Monument Park right in front that he built. Has several different monuments memorializing things like World War II and different events in American history. Like I said, close to Buffalo Niagara International Airport, close to Thruway, close to Amtrak, whether you're flying, driving, taking a plane, and you want a cheap, nice place to stay, low price, definitely worth checking out.